Alright, so let's finish this presentation. I don't know if you can see anything, but let's try to do it very quickly. So this is called the cycle of satisfaction. In fact, you could call it cycle of achievement, cycle of happiness. I first called it, but I just think it's the cycle of satisfaction. So we go through this cycle like all the time. The top is 12, and this is the satisfaction. So the top is the satisfaction line. The bottom, I hope you see what? And the bottom is the decision line. So basically the decision is taken when you identify what will be your number 12. So before 6, you've got all this period here when you're building your opinion with the goal to create your decision. So basically after this decision, we're in the warrior, you see, quarter, and this is the achievement, action-oriented time of your behavior, in fact. So and then we can go up to 7, 8, 9. So basically, so 7 would be planning, 8 executing, and 9 is basically finishing the prototype. So it's showing your prototype, like becoming. This is when you become your king kind of self, and so you will show the prototype of what you have done. This could actually be called the exhibition line, for example. So you're exhibiting towards other people what you have done during your time of warrior. And then we go to 10, so 10 and 11 are the king kind of, time. So the king is driven towards protection and organization. So this is when you actually organize, you tailor how to actually use what you have created during your action time. So depending on what you've done, you will articulate the organization of it, depending on what it was. But you need to go through this king archetype to achieve 12. 12 is the cycle of satisfaction. After you've achieved your satisfaction goal, then that means you can enter freely the magician archetype, which is the party, which is the archetype driven towards like having fun, relaxing, making jokes. It's also an extroverted period of time. So you see the cycle of achievement is you've seen it, it's a clock. So all of these elements are actually periods of time. It doesn't have to be exact, but this would be like a standard. So 1, 2, 3 is the 3 steps to go through the magician. So maybe after being satisfied of what you've done, you can reflect on yourself, and after that you know, it's the relaxing time, so you have time to go out and see friends, have fun, etc. But this magician archetype period of time shouldn't last too long, because time never stops, and you're going to have to go back to 12 again. So for that, you need to do 4, 5, 6. And 4, 5, 6 is the thinking of ideas of what you're going to do next. And you see, once again, the right part of the cycle is the right brain, like the creative side, and the left brain is the action and the discipline side. So number 6 is the decision on what you will do. So between 6 and 12, the self-directedness is very high. And between 1 and 6, basically there is no self-directedness. You need to choose how to be self-directed, the decision. So that's the cycle of satisfaction.